So I wanted to say a few words about our next phase of development here at Serenity Ridge. And the most important thing is that we have a great need of space here. Now we have been here over 16 years, and there is a need for a dining room, there is a need for kitchen. Very often when we have a bigger group, we've been eating outside, renting tent because there's not enough space inside. And when the weather is bad, then we don't know where to go. And also in terms of the office, actually the place we call here Lama House, where I stay, right, joined to that the office, the photocopy machine, retreat registration. There's so much need for office. And also personally, whenever I see people, meet people, either it's organizational or students who wanted to talk about their practice, their life, and all the time I meet them in my bedroom. So it's not we don't, because we don't have any place where I can meet with them. We have been trying to rent a similar interest like ours as other Dharma community, spiritual community, because running retreat center like that, there's a lot of cost involved, and so we need a little bit more different space so people to do some more movement, some dance, some artwork, and things like that. In the future, we plan to do a lot of video, YouTube teachings, online teachings. So we don't have any space to do those things. So now we are seriously looking into making this new building. There's a whole team now, and John Massey, who has been helping with many projects, like all the Garuda building is help, and Li Shui have help, and he's helping in Germany now. He's behind this project and trying to launch this project. We just reviewed this afternoon all the drawings, all the rooms. I think so far you have done wonderful with the Garuda building, and I think this is already have similar flow of the Garuda building.
There are actually 4 levels to the building. You enter actually on the 3rd level, which is all the office and administrative part of the building. The media studio would be the very top of the building. Multi-purpose room is on the bottom, the dining and kitchen, their next level, and there'll be a loading dock around here for delivery trucks to come in, and then they'll be able to go in. There'll be an office and a walk-in cooler and dry storage area here. And then if students are coming from the Gompa between teachings, then they can walk along the road and sidewalks, and it'll be handicapped accessible.
Wonderful. And then below this, there will be same size of room, multi-use space, yes. Right? So that's the place where the yoga, meditation, yes. Some physical movement.
Like many places in the Himalayan region, Serenity Ridge is on a hillside in the mountains, and it forces a building to be built on a steep slope, which generally means steps down and then open up as many levels as possible to the wonderful view that we're blessed with here at Serenity Ridge.
Here at Serenity Ridge, what I love the most from my room, going out on the deck every morning, just seeing the view, just seeing the sunrise, just imagining having a beautiful meal with this view.
Yes, that is.
What I was hoping is that some of the windows, we will carve them from Tibet, because I have seen some of the carving works from Lhasa. Mm-hmm. They've done beautiful works, so maybe we can explore that.
That would be good.
So it's very exciting for us. So we need help in many ways, financial help and skill help, and so we'll be doing a major fundraising campaign, and so we'll be outreaching everybody. So I'm asking everybody to be very open, be generous, and this is you're contributing something where these teachings will last for many generations. As we know what these teachings are so important for each and every one of our life, and a place where it can sustain for longer, host more teachers, host more practitioners, host more events, host more individual practitioners to do a longer retreat. Now we have wonderful here resident teacher who's living here, and we have more and more programs. And in fact, like every week, the place is being very active and very busy. So we are really, really excited about it.